Hello guys and welcome to a new video here on YouTube. Today I'm gonna do a special video and I think that no one ever has done this before on YouTube, and it's to make a main menu, and it's gonna work like this. So you have 3 players and you can choose in between the players. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Yeah, and that's it. So let's start. So to make this happen, you need to start making the sprites, right? So if you go on sprites, wait, I need to drag this up a little. So if you go on sprites and pick 3 of these, you can actually duplicate. So you duplicate, so we have 3, okay? Now we're gonna set them into the start box. Make it like this. Now we also need 3 loops. 1 of these. Okay, so 3 of these, okay? Now I put every single sprite in these boxes. Wait, let me just put this here. Okay, so you put 1 of the sprite block in each one of them. Okay, so like this. Okay, so now we're gonna start making the sprite. I'm not gonna create one. I'm just gonna take a random dog. The fish. And the monkey. Okay, like this. So now I'm gonna change the name of them. So this one is gonna be Sprite 2. This one is gonna be Sprite 3. Okay, so like this. Now we're gonna make tile map. So if you go on scene, go to set tile map, drag it in here. I'm just gonna drag this one, the camera in the middle. Okay, now I'm gonna start making the tile map. So the tile map is gonna be super simple. I'm just gonna actually put the grass block everywhere. And now I'm gonna take 3 different blocks. That's gonna represent the place where our sprite is gonna start. Okay, like this. Now we need to go to scene. It's gonna continue be error, so it's okay if you take 2 of these, duplicate. Okay, now we're gonna this one is gonna be this. So now you just need to place them at the random blocks. Oops. Okay. So now we need to make sure that they are placed on top of them. And duplicate these 3 times. My sprite 2. Sprite 3. And now just my sprite. Now you drag the value into each of these boxes. So like this. If we restart the game, we can see that they are placed. We can not just see the other one because the camera is not there. Now we need to start making a mouse that makes us like, you know, it is a mouse that like, it's the thing that picks the sprites. So we're gonna go to sprites again, take this one, put it on top of them. Now we're gonna make a mouse. Okay, like this. Pretty simple. Now click done. And you can see that our little mouse is there. I'm just gonna change the color of the time map. So it's gonna be like more obvious. Nope. This one. No, not that one. Sorry. Take this black one. Wait. Like this. Okay, so now it's pretty easy to see. Go to scene again. Camera follows. Now I'm gonna change the name. I forgot to change the name of the mouse. Just mouse. I click this one to mouse. Oh, mood. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. Oh, we need to go to controller and then take this one. Move my sprite with buttons. Change it to mood. Okay, so as you can see, the mouse is going. Now we're gonna make the part so when you collide with the assets, you're going to go to the new world with the asset. Okay, so now we need to go to. We're gonna make the new scene, the new tile map. So it's gonna be. We're gonna make it like this. Now we're gonna make it black too. Like this with, I don't know, the screen thing here. No, you duplicate this 3 times. Okay, so now we need to go to sprites again. We need to choose this one. And the mouse, instead of being a player, we need to change it to, it could be this one. And the others are going to be players. But we're also going to change them. Instead of being players, each of them is going to have a different. So add a new player 2. This one is going to be player 3. Player 3. Okay, so as you can see, now this is done. I'll just duplicate this 3 times. Oops. 1, 2, and now you change this one to the projectile, and then this one is gonna be, the first one is gonna be player, the second one is gonna be player 2, like this. This one is gonna be the same, just do it to player 3. Okay, so done. So each of these blue blocks represent the new world with the new asset. So now to make this happen, we could just duplicate this. Now we take one of these time maps, put it here, and we're also gonna make a place where the assets start. Place my sprites on top of a random block. Instead of sprite, it's gonna be mice. Oh, sorry, this one is my sprite. Well, we need to change this one up here because this one, the duck, is a player. Okay, done. Now we need to go to the time map. I'm just gonna put this one as the respawn point. Then, like this. Okay, so if you go with the rat, we're now at the new place. Okay, so it's working. The only thing is that the old assets, like the monkey, the fish, and another duck, is still there. So to change that, we need to choose one of these and duplicate it. Put it in here. Okay, like this. Now I change my sprite to sprite 2 and sprite 3. Okay, so now it's the only problem that is 2 ducks, right? So to change this, we could maybe do one alternative. That is, we could change this one to duck, and then we could duplicate one of these. Instead of my sprite 3, we change it to my sprite. Okay, let's see if it works. Yes, it is working. Oh wait, it's not working, sorry. Because the duck is not on our place. So we could change this one to no, we just remove this one. I don't think we need to put a sprite here. So let's try again. Yes, it is working. Okay, so now we need to make him move. So it's my sprite because the duck is the sprite. Yeah, he's working. The only thing now is that the mouse is still at the game, right? And he's doing the same movements that the duck is. So to change that, we also need to destroy the mouse. Or we could also do another thing that is much easier. It depends what you want to do, but we can do two things here. Or we destroy the mouse. Let's see what happens. Instead of my sprite is mood. Okay, so if you go, as you can see, the mouse is not here, and that is actually working. So now we just need to make the camera follow our duck. Camera follows my sprite. Let's see. Yes, it is working. And now we just need to do this with every one of them. So we could actually duplicate this. Oh, not everything. Duplicate. I don't know, it doesn't work, but it's okay. We could actually just duplicate everything. Like this, and now you changed this one to player 2. And remove this one. Okay, and now you need to be careful to change this. So instead of my sprite, it's gonna be player 2, or sprite 2, sorry. And instead of sprite 2, I'm gonna change this to my sprite. Yeah, everything is right, but we just need to change this one too. That is sprite 2. This one also sprite 2. Okay, so if we go to the sprite 2, which one is the sprite 2? It's the fish. Yes, it's also working. Now we just need to put the last one. Okay, so we just duplicate this one. Destroy this old block, we don't need it. Now you change the player 2 to player 3. And instead of being sprite 2, change it to sprite 3. This one is also going to be sprite 3. This one 2. Okay guys, so let's see if it works. Okay, so our little mouse is going first to the first sprite. Yes, it is working. Let's see the other one, the fish. Yes, it is also working. Now let's see the monkey. No, it's not working because instead of this one says destroy my sprite 3, so we need to change this to sprite 2. Okay, let's see it again. Yes, it is working. So guys, this is how you make a menu. It's pretty simple actually. It's not that hard. But yeah, you need time. So yeah, this is everything for the video. I hope you enjoyed it and liked it because this was a special video. Yeah, that's it. Bye.